fast, flexible, and superbly constructed. These words can all be used to describe the ALTA Pro 2 Plus 263 CGHT carbon fiber tripod and pistol grip head kit, winner of the 2018 TIPO Award for Best Tripod. Vanguard prides itself on delivering complete, quality photography solutions right out of the box. Combining the trustworthy, award-winning legs of our signature ALTA Pro 2 Plus carbon fiber tripod with the top-of-the-line, newly introduced ALTA GH300T pistol grip head, Vanguard has created the ultimate tripod kit for the fast-paced photographer. The grip head's built-in shutter-release trigger and half-press focusing option makes capturing fast-moving objects much easier. The 8-stop handle positions, 360-degree panning capabilities, 90-degree tilt, and 72 click points for perfect panoramas make the ALTA GH300 truly special. The head features a universal 2.5mm DC shutter release cable input jack, which is compatible with most DSLRs. And it also comes with both Nikon and Canon compatible connection cables. Please visit our website for information on other camera manufacturer cable specs and adapters. The included QS60 V2 38mm ARCA-compatible quick-release plate is universal, so there's never a need to change plates. Other features include a built-in friction system to accommodate changing equipment weight and balance. And notably, an anodized center ball for extremely fluid movement without sacrificing control. In total, this grip head kit has a recommended max load capacity of 13.2 pounds. By now you probably know that the ALTA Pro 2 Plus is famous for its innovative multi-angle center column system, which allows you to boom the column out in one simple motion. The quick-action shutter release of the ALTA GH300T works so harmoniously with the ALTA Pro 2 Plus, you'll wonder exactly how you ever managed without it. Experience shutter speed precision right out of the box with the ALTA Pro 2 Plus 263 CGHT by Vanguard.